Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how you can reset your Apple Watch. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now there are two ways for us to be able to reset your Apple Watch. One is from the watch itself and the other is in using the phone that is connected to your watch itself. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. The first way for us to do this is to go through the phone and go to the watch app itself. And then you should be able to see on the top left all watches. So go ahead and click on that. And then go ahead and click on the eye right here. Now you should be able to see right here on the bottom saying Unpair Apple Watch. Now that's one way for you to be able to completely reset your watch. So this will unpair your watch and it will reset it at the same time as well. Now through the Apple Watch itself, what we need to do is go ahead and unlock the watch right here. And then we're going to be going down until we can see our settings right here. Go ahead and click on this. And then go ahead and go on general right here. And then all you need to do is to go all the way down until you can see reset right here. And then you have the option to go ahead and reset all contents and settings right here. And as you can see, this will give you a warning saying that all of this will remove your watch data. So once that you're happy, go ahead and click erase all, and then this will completely reset your Apple Watch. This will also unpair it to the phone that you're connected with, and then you would need to do the pairing process once again. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.